Hello everyone, I am Sachin Yadav from CO6IA, where we have a team group members, Deepak Bist, Aditi Chaudhary, are presenting a project on Siemens Union Employee Administration Management System. Before we start the project, I would like to thank Ms. Yatisha Boye, ma'am, for our project guide and Mr. Nilesh Visupati sir for our internal faculty for giving us this guidance throughout the making of the project. Without further ado, let's start our presentation. I would like to introduce our project by saying that main motive is to create the project is to create a management system to help the employees to create on scheduling system to save time. It was developed to overcome and problems to presenting and practicing a manual system. It is to maintain the information about the personal and the official details of this employee. The project aim is to simplify the tools of monitoring records of employee companies. On now, I'd like to discuss the problem definition. The system one of the problems is that the company is still using the manual of using the managing the employee information worth from the keeping employees information such as employee have the request employees and employees are waiting for the schedule. And further, the employees are be recorded is not always be reliable because it has been not handwritten, may be cause any human error also. For example, manager might be write a wrong title in a report and data manipulation problem might be happen when a manager can't find the required information. Other than if there are any changes the working of the schedule, employee might be having the wrong information in the working schedule. Because of the schedule might be not updated immediately, throughout the employee might be not be satisfying with the working schedule. Now, the Aditi Chaudhary will explain the further points. Now, I will like to show our project. This is our home page. Now, we will go to the contact page. Now, we will go to the login page. Login contains two modules, admin login and employee login. Now, login to the admin. Admin module contains home page, add employee page, view employee page, salary table, assign projects, and many other things. Now we will add some employee details. Now the employee registration has been successful. Now let's see the registered employee details on the view employee page. Now let's go to check the registered employee details on employee details login page. Here is the details that we add now. Employee details contains home page, employee profile, salary tables, and project assigned status. This is the employee details just we add now. This is the home page, and this is our module that we have worked on.
Hello, I am Aditi Chaudhary and I will be discussing the scope of the project, advantages and the limitations. The scope for this project is that the system will be focusing on developing of a web-based employee management system. The project scope is important because it defines the need of the project. Employee information management module will keep track of employee report. Now, let us see what are the advantages. There are so many advantages of having an EMS, like it offers efficiency and better accuracy, fewer compliance risks due to the EMS. There are very few manual errors. It increases productivity, motivation, and it improves workforce management efficiency. It increases the engagement of employees too. As there are advantages, there are some limitations too. Some of the challenges are a disciplined framework is required to manage employee system in an organization. It requires the association to work of one all-inclusive strategy separated into applicable parts and regions of obligation. Lack of alignment. Because of several organizational processes being created in isolation, this challenge is in the absence of alignment by various group of people with different framework is being used to develop link between budgeting, operational planning, and strategy development. Now, I would like to hand over to Mr. Deepak Bisht.
Hello, I am Deepak Bish from CO6IA and I will continuing the rest of the presentation. Let us take a look at future enhancement. As for the future enhancement, this project can be updated in near future as we require for the same areas. It is very flexible in the term of expensive. We can also create complaint box, store complaint and in, instruction among various employees of the organization through the live chat. A lot of people are ordinarily involved in such projects, and one of requirement is the reliability of the system, specifically what consume the storage of the data and all the expensive that will be performed upon it. I would like to conclude our presentation by saying that since this project has been designed exclusively as the project, certain complexity that to face by on real life manual problem like total number of employee, address redundancy, etc. are considered in this project, but enhancement of the project can easily to made without changing the current design and program structure. The software is capable of easy storage of information related to employee through database. Thank you.